What is up, guys? So, I am back with you with not one, but two new bits of tech that I have picked up recently. So, we have Apple iPad. This is the new, this is the iPad 6th generation. So the budget one, if you want to call it that. This is space grey, as you can see by the picture there. And if we flip it around, you see iPad 6th generation Wi-Fi. This is 32 gig Wi-Fi only. Now, I have already opened this just to have a quick play with it, but I've managed to put it all back. I haven't haven't undone the cable or opened the Apple stickers or anything like that. So we got the iPad, and I also picked up one of these, Apple Pencil. So one of the new features of the 6th generation iPad is Apple Pencil support. So we'll do this in a sec. Move that off to the side. Let's get to it. So, as I say, I've already taken the plastic off. Got iPad on the side, Apple logo on the top, and iPad on the side, Apple logo on the bottom, on the front, just iPad, side profile, as I say on the back, you got the 32 gigabyte iPad 6th generation Wi-Fi. So, slide it off, put that off to the side, sorry about the lighting, and there you have it. So let's lift it out. As you can see, a little tab to lift it out. Really light, very light. I'm coming from a 4th generation Mini. As you can see there, space grey. There's the front, there's me and my iPhone. So let's put that off to the side. So in the box we have got USB on one end to Lightning on the other end. Can you get it back in there? Yeah, and then the little booklet. So you see there, designed by Apple in California. Nothing on the back. And we have got welcome to iPad. So you're just showing you your sleep wake, your volume buttons, Touch ID, and support for Apple Pencil, as you can see there. And advertising the Tips app and to get the most out of your iPad. And also you've got your Lightning connector there, charge iPad and connect accessories. There's the little Lightning symbol down there. Warranty, nobody ever reads that. And some Apple stickers. Shame they're not space grey. There's the iPad space grey, but there you have it. And I think, yeah, that's it for in there. And then underneath, got your, I'm in the UK, so I've got a 3-pin UK plug and the universal wall adapter. So if I just pull this plastic off, if I can find the little tab. Put that off to the side. Same with that, off to the side, and then simply clicked in. Good to go. And this is a 10-watt power adapter. Cool, so let's move the box off to the side. And let's have a look at this iPad. So there you got it, there's the front. Got your Touch ID. 720p FaceTime camera. Spin it over, obviously the iPad logo, iPad, You've got your rear facing camera, I think it's 8 megapixel this one, 1080p video. And on the bottom you've got your dual speakers, there's no quad speakers or 4 speakers like on the Pro. And your lightning connector. And on the top, audio jack, still got an audio jack, microphone and sleep wake. So as I say, I've already powered this on. Just get my tripod. Let's just pull it out. And there we go. So while that's powering on, or powered on rather, as I said, I've already powered it on. Let's have a look at this. So, Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil on the side. Just shows you on the back there. You plug it into the bottom of the iPad. Pencil, nice picture of it on the front. Nothing on the ends. Got this little tab here. Pull it out, designed by Apple in California. And we've got this little pamphlet. So in here we've got adapter, so you can plug your lightning cable in there and plug that end into the pencil to charge it, so you haven't got to plug it into the iPad, and a replacement nib there just in case the one you've got becomes unresponsive. Apple Pencil, just some basic how to remove the caps, magnetic, how to plug it in. To pair it with your iPad, you just plug it in and you get a pairing request, and then you're good to go. And on the back it just shows you how to use that adapter, and that the nibs screw off or screw on off. And again, just your warranty and regulatory info there. And here's the pencil itself. It did have a protective thing on it, but as I say, I've had it out of the box. Got your lightning connector there. This is magnetic. The nib there, and it's weighted as well. So I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it does actually say Apple Pencil. If I can get the camera to focus. No. It says Apple Pencil here in the silver, and when you put it down, that branding always faces upwards. Yeah, the branding always faces upwards, sorry about the light exposure there, so that you can always see it, it doesn't roll off a table, etc. And there we go, that's it. So that's the Apple iPad 6th generation and the Apple Pencil. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, then be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one.